In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add staff on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, products, orders, and user access. Make sure you are signed in with an account that has permission to manage users, because only the store owner or someone with the right access level can add staff members. Once you are inside the Shopify admin, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. You will usually recognize this by the gear icon. The settings area is where Shopify keeps the main controls for your store, including billing, plan details, policies, and user management. After opening settings, select Users. This section is where you can view the people who already have access to the store and manage what each person is allowed to do. If you are adding a new team member, this is the correct place to create their account and assign the right permissions. Next, click Add User. This will open the form where you can enter the new staff member's details. Type in the staff member's full name and email address carefully. It is important to use the correct email address because this is where the invitation will be sent. The staff member will use that invitation to set up access to your Shopify store. After entering the basic information, choose the role for that user. This part is important because the role controls what the staff member can see and change inside the store. For example, some users may only need access to orders or products, while others may need broader permissions. It is a good idea to give each person only the access they need for their job. This helps keep your store secure and organized. Once you have selected the appropriate role and reviewed the information, click Add and then save your changes. Shopify will then send the invitation to the staff member so they can join the store using the permissions you assigned. If needed, you can always return to the Users section later to update their role, adjust permissions, or remove access. That gives you flexibility as your team grows or responsibilities change. That covers everything you need to know.